Alrighty guys, well there you have it. They don't look too bad on there. They got a little bit more of a throaty sound to them, obviously because they're 4.5 inch than the Thunders that were on there, and they're kind of like that cone shape. Also, another thing that we did recently is we took the Dynojet that we have, and this is one that's mapped on my bike, and then we also used to get, you know, extra licenses and tune other things. But in regards to this bike, there was some firmware updates, so we went ahead and updated the firmware, and there was a ton of updates, 22 updates to be exact, for like knock sensor, everything like that. And so it had some feature updates that's not applicable to this bike, as far as cooling features, with if this was any type of like water cooled or anything like that, because this one is air cooled. But I'm sure they feature it into the actual tune of the bike, even though the tune that we're running is for an air cooled bike. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this helps if you guys are in the market for anything. We'll do some other reviews because Ryan's dad has the Reinhardts on his bike. We have some other pipes on Ryan's bike, and then on my black bike as well that we just put on it because we got rid of the Screamin Eagles. So we'll do some videos on those too, kind of give you guys some good sounds and stuff like that. Ride-bys, 30 sounds. Mind you, I was only hitting, 3,000 RPMs, maybe 3,500 in the low gears, maybe close to 3,000 in the high gears. So that way you kind of get a good sound of it, unless you go into tuning or dynoing your bike and you're pushing, the rev limiter any higher than what it comes stock. You kind of know what it's going to sound like. Again, this is with baffles. So hopefully that helps, and you guys searching for your next exhaust, you guys subscribe, stay tuned. We love you. Stay safe.